This is my new DJI Mini Drone 3 Pro. Just got it from Amazon just a few minutes ago, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Very small. Look at this box. This box isn't even 8 inches long. Good grief. Isn't even 8 inches long. Criminy sakes. All right, let me get this paper off of here. Wrapped in cellophane. There it is. There it is. There's that little drone right there. Right inside there. Let's get it out. I'll show you what's in the box, rest of it in a minute. But boy, this thing, look at that. This thing is as big as my knife to cut it open. You kidding me? Look at that. Not even as big as my knife to cut it open. Jiminy Christmas. I can tell you right now, this is going to be one fun drone to fly. Look at that. There we go. We got the cover for the camera right there. The two front sensors right there that sense so it don't run into anything. The two rear sensors in the back, so when you're backing up, it don't run into anything. The two underneath sensors, so when you're going down, it knows the ground. But yeah, this thing is, I've never had one of these before. So, well, look, there we go. There we go. I better not break this thing. Oh, this swings around like that, and swings around like that. And there you have it. The DJI Mini 3 Pro. Look at that thing. That's what it looks like. Very small. Look how small that thing is. Unbelievably small. I got an 8-inch long grip right there. This can't be more than 6 inches long, 7 inches long. Wow. All right, let's put that off to the side for a minute. Put it over here. See what else is inside the box here. Just the case for the mini drone. And inside here you got the controller. You got the controller right there. This is the RC controller, as it's called. When you fire it up, of course, you got your drone, you got a camera watching it and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Yeah. And a couple buttons there, slider, and of course your joysticks go in there, which your joysticks are hidden right behind here. Take them out there, of course, and screw them in. Yeah, a couple buttons back there, a couple buttons there. Yeah, I'll learn all about it once I get going here. Let's see what else we got in the box here. We got a little box. Don't know what it is. Looks like instructions here for the DJI. Probably in 51 different languages, and probably 3 pages dedicated to English. And a screwdriver. Small screwdriver for taking it apart. Oh, a couple extra set of propellers in case you wreck, crash and burn. You got some extra propellers. And a charging cord. You plug this into your USB and then directly into the little drone there, and charges the battery. Okay, that's it. I mean, that's it basically. Nothing left in there except for this stuff in here. Couple of, what do they call it, dry packs. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? All right, I'm gonna put it all back together and check it out. Yeah, I can't believe how small this thing is. Of course, this piece pops off right here to show you the camera right there, and then it pops back on. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, and then the wings just curl under, slam there, and slam here, and holy mackerel, I can't believe how small this drone is. This is just, I can't believe it can fly miles away from you. Miles away from you, and you can still control it. All right, this is sophisticated technology. Oh, by the way, my wife bought this for me for my birthday. Pretty cool birthday present, huh? I'm gonna love this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna put it all away. I'm gonna go out and update all the software in this thing, and update all the software in this thing, and take her for a small spin eventually. Don't know when.
Always keeps Timmy.
And so here's what it looks like from the drone's point of view. I'm just kind of messing around with it, trying to figure things out. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I liked messing with it. In order to fly your drone, you're supposed to have one of these trust certificates. It's a 15-minute long video, take a few questions about airspace, and then you print out that you took the test. And if some authorities come and ask you, I want to see your drone trust, then you'll have it there so you know a bit about where and when to fly. And also, in order to fly your drone, you're supposed to have a spotter with you so he can watch the drone all the time, because sometimes you're looking down and he's supposed to keep an eye on it for you all the time. And also, you're never supposed to let your drone get visibly out of your sight. You're always supposed to be able to keep an eye on it. And that's basically for the recreational drone flyer. So if you desire to take your drone and fly it out of your sights where you can't see it, and the only place you could see it would be on your screen right here on your controller. If you wish to do that, then you have to step up to a FAA Part 107 drone license. It costs $175 to take the test, and it's about 60 questions, and it's a thorough test. They want you to know all about airspaces and stuff like that. And so, if, like I say, if you want to fly it out of your vision, then you're supposed to, or you have to have one of those FAA Part 107 test certificates that you passed it. They tell me you can walk up to it, grab it, and tip it upside down, and it will stop. All right? I'm going to try it. I don't know if I can do it or not. I've heard of guys doing this. There. Wow. Okay. It worked.